So today we'll talk about the topic Matic. Welcome to my channel, where we bring you the latest insights and perspectives on investing and financial knowledge from around the world. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance, which is a system of financial applications built on blockchain technology that aims to provide financial services in a decentralized manner, without the need for intermediaries such as banks or other financial institutions. The main goal of DeFi is to create a transparent and open financial system that is accessible to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their location or socio-economic status. DeFi applications are typically built on open-source software and utilize decentralized networks like Ethereum or other blockchain platforms, and they offer a wide range of financial services, including lending, borrowing, trading, investing, and more. We shall be discussing 4 main crypto that I think shall play a major role in building the next crypto industry. They are Polygon, Matic. Matic is the native cryptocurrency of Polygon, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that aims to improve scalability and reduce transaction fees. Polygon provides a range of services, including CD chains, plasma chains, and state channels, which can be used to build decentralized applications, DApps, that are faster, cheaper, and more scalable than those on the Ethereum mainnet. Matic is used for governance, staking, and payment of transaction fees within the Polygon network. Uniswap, Uniswap is the native cryptocurrency of Uniswap, a decentralized exchange, DEX, that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for intermediaries like centralized exchanges. Uniswap uses an automated market-making system to determine prices and facilitate trades. Uniswap is used for governance within the Uniswap network, as well as for liquidity provision and trading fees. Aave is the native cryptocurrency of Aave, a decentralized lending platform that allows users to borrow and lend cryptocurrencies without the need for intermediaries like banks. Aave is used to pay for borrowing and lending fees, as well as for staking and governance within the Aave network. Chainlink is the native cryptocurrency of Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts to real-world data. Chainlink provides a way for smart contracts to access data from various sources, such as APIs and off-chain data feeds, which can be used to trigger actions within the smart contract. Link is used as payment for these services, as well as for staking and governance within the
native
Chainlink
cryptocurrency
network.
of Polygon.
Today, I shall be introducing and highlighting the key point of Polygon, Matic. Matic is the native cryptocurrency of Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that aims to improve scalability and reduce transaction fees. Polygon provides a range of scaling solutions, including CD chains, plasma chains, and state channels, which can be used to build DApps that are faster, cheaper, and more scalable than those on the Ethereum mainnet. Just look at what Polygon can do. Network fees on Polygon run only 1/1000th of a cent per transaction. That's compared to $10, $25, or even $50 on Ethereum when its network is busy. Polygon can process a transaction in about 2 seconds, compared to minutes, and sometimes much more, on Ethereum, depending on how congested the network is. It is easily customizable and upgradable. Anyone who knows Ethereum protocols already knows pretty much everything they need to work with Polygon. So, any application or user comfortable with Ethereum should be able to move over to Polygon with no hassle. Polygon's core developer team and technical advisors include many of the best and most famous Ethereum developers, even some of its founders. It is open source and built by decentralized contributors from all over the world, ensuring the security of a public blockchain. And high security is an absolute prerequisite for DeFi DApps that routinely handle billions of dollars in user funds. For the record, there are other layer 2 scaling solutions besides Polygon. But none can match all its benefits, including network effect and adoption. A brief introduction to Polygon, Matic. Matic is used for governance, staking, and payment of transaction fees within the Polygon network. The token has multiple use cases, including 1. Transaction fees. Users can pay transaction fees in Matic when using Polygon-based DApps or transferring assets on the network. 2. Staking. Matic can be staked to participate in the consensus mechanism and earn rewards for securing the network. 3. Governance. Matic holders can participate in the governance of the Polygon network by voting on proposals and making decisions that impact the future of the network. Overall, Matic plays a critical role in the operation and growth of the Polygon ecosystem, and it is an important asset for developers, users, and stakeholders who are building and using decentralized applications on the network. How is Polygon better than its competition based on 1. Ethereum compatibility, 2. Scalability, 3. Security, 4. Sovereignty, 5. Interoperability, 6. User experience, 7. Developer experience. Ethereum compatibility. Matic is designed to be fully compatible with Ethereum, which means that developers can easily port their dApps and smart contracts from Ethereum to the Polygon network. This makes it easier for developers to leverage the scalability and other features of Polygon without having to redevelop their applications from scratch. This compatibility also makes it easier for users to interact with Matic-based dApps and protocols using Ethereum wallets and other tools. Scalability. Matic is designed to provide a range of scaling solutions that can be used to build dApps that are faster, cheaper, and more scalable than those on the Ethereum mainnet. This includes CD chains, plasma chains, and state channels, which can be used to process transactions and other operations off-chain, reducing the load on the main chain. This approach allows the Polygon network to handle a much larger volume of transactions than Ethereum, which is critical for the growth and adoption of decentralized applications. Security. Matic is secured by a proof of stake (PoS) consensus mechanism, which means that validators must hold and stake Matic to participate in the consensus process. This makes the network more secure against attacks and provides incentives for validators to act in the best interests of the network. In addition, the Polygon team has implemented a range of security measures, including bug bounties and code audits, to ensure the security and reliability of the network. Sovereignty. Matic is designed to be a sovereign network, which means that it has its own governance structure and decision-making processes. This allows the network to evolve and adapt to the needs of its users and stakeholders, without being subject to external influences or control. Interoperability. Matic is designed to be interoperable with other blockchains and networks, which means that it can be used to bridge assets and data across different blockchain ecosystems. This makes it easier for developers and users to build and use cross-chain applications and protocols, which is important for the growth and adoption of decentralized finance and other blockchain use cases. User experience. Matic is designed to provide a seamless and user-friendly experience for developers and users. This includes easy integration with popular wallets and other tools, as well as fast and low-cost transactions that are processed in seconds. In addition, the Polygon team is actively working to improve the user experience by implementing new features and functionalities, such as gasless transactions and other optimizations. Developer experience. Matic is designed to provide a developer-friendly environment that makes it easy to build and deploy decentralized applications and smart contracts. This includes a range of development tools and frameworks, as well as comprehensive documentation and support. In addition, the Polygon team is actively working to improve the developer experience by providing incentives for developers to build on the network, such as grants and other funding opportunities. Overall, Matic's compatibility with Ethereum, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, and developer experience make it a strong competitor in the blockchain space. While other projects offer similar features and functionalities, Matic's focus on scalability and interoperability, as well as its growing ecosystem of dApps and protocols, make it a unique and valuable cryptocurrency in the blockchain industry. What exactly is Matic? It's Polygon's native coin. It's used to make gas payments or fees to settle network charges on every transaction over Polygon's network, just as ETH is required for paying Ethereum's network charges. Indeed, the main difference between ETH and Matic going forward will be that, as the industry grows, Ethereum will probably be used more and more as the settlement layer, instead of the execution layer. That means regular users like you and me will likely use ETH less frequently to pay for DeFi transactions. Meanwhile, the execution layer of Ethereum will eventually move over to Layer 2 solutions like Polygon. Because only they have what it takes to accommodate billions of people's transactions worldwide, virtually free of cost and at near instant speeds. Can Matic replace Ethereum? No, Matic cannot replace Ethereum as they serve different functions within the blockchain ecosystem. Ethereum is a leading blockchain network that serves as a platform for developers to build decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts. It has a large and active developer community, and many of the most popular DApps and protocols in the cryptocurrency space are built on Ethereum. Ethereum also has its native cryptocurrency, ETH, which is used for transaction fees, staking, and governance. Matic, on the other hand, is the native cryptocurrency of Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network, which is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon provides a range of scaling solutions that can be used to build DApps that are faster, cheaper, and more scalable than those on the Ethereum mainnet. Matic is used for governance, staking, and payment of transaction fees within the Polygon network. While Polygon and Matic have been successful in addressing some of the scalability issues facing Ethereum, they are not designed to replace Ethereum. Instead, they are designed to work alongside Ethereum and provide additional scaling solutions and functionalities for developers and users. Overall, Ethereum and Polygon serve different functions within the blockchain ecosystem, and both have important roles to play in the development and growth of the decentralized finance, DeFi, space and the wider blockchain industry. Never think of Polygon as a parasite that sucks business away from Ethereum. Rather, it's like a symbiotic partner that enhances the opportunities for Ethereum owners. Indeed, Polygon may well turn out to be the vehicle through which Ethereum solidifies its position as the backbone of the future internet, a decentralized internet of blockchains, sometimes called Web3. What is the earning yield in Matic? The earning yield for staking Matic on the Polygon network varies depending on several factors, including the current market conditions, the number of tokens being staked, and the network's overall staking participation rate. At the time of this writing, the annual staking yield for Matic on Polygon ranges from around 5% to 6%, depending on the staking pool being used. However, it's important to note that these rates can fluctuate over time based on market conditions and other factors. Additionally, it's important to consider that staking involves locking up your tokens for a specific period, which means that you won't be able to use them for other purposes until the staking period is over. It's important to carefully consider the risks and benefits of staking before committing to it. Overall, staking Matic on the Polygon network can be a way to earn a yield on your tokens while supporting the network's security and growth. However, it's important to do your research and assess the risks and benefits before making any investment decisions. Should one invest in Matic? I would like to have Matic as part of my portfolio. But should you? Well, I am not authorized to provide financial or investment advice. It is important to note that investing in cryptocurrencies, including Matic, can be highly risky and volatile. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate significantly, and there is no guarantee that an investment in Matic will be profitable. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it is important to do your research, understand the risks involved, and consult with a financial advisor. It is also important to only invest what you can afford to lose, as cryptocurrency investments are highly speculative and not suitable for everyone. Keep watching for our upcoming video on Uniswap.